Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I usually like to start my mornings off with a cup of coffee. If I don't drink coffee in the morning, I'm seriously so freaking tired throughout the day. So I have to make sure I have my good cup of coffee, and my work actually serves coffee there, but it's disgusting. So yeah, I just use either the Starbucks or the donut shop ones. In the morning when I'm getting ready, I love to listen to music or podcast. This morning I decided to listen to the Big Little Lies soundtrack. I swear that show has the best music in it. I downloaded the whole album and I just love all the music that's in that show. And as you can see, I'm straightening my hair. I usually don't straighten my hair every day for work. I do it when I feel like being fancy, I guess. I honestly don't like wearing my hair down. That's why in every video you see, I either have my hair up and then occasionally you'll see it when it's down. Now for my hair, I like to put BioSilk oil on it for the ends because my ends are really dry. I did get my hair done and my ends are super dry from the bleach. And I use Big Sexy. It's like a lotion. I'll link it down below in the description box, but basically it's just a lotion for your hair and it makes your hair smell so good and feel so good. Now it's time for me to do my makeup. I like to do my hair first before I do my makeup, just so I don't sweat and stuff while I'm straightening my hair from how hot it is. I do like to wear either the cat ears or a headband to push my hair back so it's not in my face. And for my foundation, I use the It Cosmetics CC cream, and I use the Bliss moisturizer for my face. Oh my gosh, I love both of these products. I literally use them all the freaking time. Only when I do my makeup, of course, but yeah, these are pretty much my two favorite products out of all my makeup.
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and me again. Oh,
Before I do my eyebrows, I like to just brush them out with a spoolie, just so they're nice and laid back before I do them. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. I live by this, guys. I've been using it for years and I just can't switch up. I've tried switching up and honestly I just keep going back to it. And I'm going to be using my Sephora angled brush. I'm not entirely sure what number it is, but I'll try to link it in the description box if I could figure it out.
if I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and me again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom,
So I'm using the same spoolie I used to brush my eyebrows to brush out my eyelash extensions. I normally don't use the same one. I have disposable ones, but I actually can't find them. So that is why I'm using this one. Please do not tell me how much bacteria is in it. I know, I'm well aware of that, but I had to do what I had to do. Now I'm going to go with my MAC bronzer. This is a new line that just came out, and honestly, I love it. Let me know what your guys' favorite makeup products are for bronzing, contouring, foundation, anything. Like, let me know. I'm always looking to get new makeup. Now I'm going with the Natural Face Palette by Too Faced, and I love this palette. I'm all done. Now I'm just going to spray some deodorant. I use the spray deodorant by Dove. It's my favorite one. I use their spray deodorant, body wash, like everything. I love their whole line. Now it's time for me to brush my teeth. I'm just using the Crest black charcoal toothpaste. No, it's not like all black. Like, I was hoping that it was going to be like the plain black toothpaste, but it wasn't. I was kind of disappointed. But yeah, I usually brush my teeth after I drink coffee. If I don't do it at home, I do it at work, depending on when I finish my coffee. And I am about to leave, so I'm just wearing this like thin cardigan I got from Ross. I don't know what the brand is. Then I'm wearing my American Eagle cami with some black slacks and my cheetah shoes. I have a lot of colors going on here, but whatever, it works. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.